This is the evolution of our EverDriven Driver app. From the old Mapbox navigation to the new Google navigation experience. Let's walk through a trip and highlight the improvements. Both versions of the app require a pickup confirmation, but the new experience is more streamlined. Now each passenger has their own confirmation screen, reducing confusion when multiple students are boarding or maybe no-showing. We also replaced the old countdown clock with a clear time window to report a no-load, giving drivers a more flexible and less pressured experience during pickups. On the road, the difference is clear. The old app offered limited contrast and no alternative routes while driving. The new app uses Google's high contrast maps, making roads easier to see and provides a smoother, safer navigation experience. I'll also touch on some of the new features that we'll be adding towards the end of the video. As I mentioned before, we've really focused on the driver experience here. As you can see on the old version, we have buttons like Live Chat, Emergency, and I Have Arrived. These are not gone. They're just hidden underneath a drawer now that are very purposeful and should only be accessed when a driver really needs them. We've also condensed a lot of the UI to make it a much more friendly experience and allow the driver to focus on the navigation. Next, I'll be showing you some of the new features we'll be adding with Google Navigation. To start things off, we've added dynamic speed limit awareness. The posted speed limit is always visible. Go more than 5 miles per hour over, and the text turns red. Exceed by 10, and the entire box turns red, giving drivers clear feedback to stay safe and within the speed limits. Google Navigation also brings richer traffic insights. Drivers are alerted to heavier than usual traffic and can see accident or incident markers directly on the map. This new app also gives drivers the ability to view and select alternative routes with clear ETA differences. They can either click to select or just drive the new route, allowing drivers to know instantly what the impact of taking an alternative route would be. There's also a new turn-by-turn directions, which allows you to see all turns of your entire route. Finally, the zoom-out view gives drivers a full perspective of the route, real-time traffic conditions, and all available alternative routes with ETAs, all at a glance. The new driver app with Google Navigation, safer, smarter, and more efficient.